Today's our topic is reference image, and we will see that how we can use reference images and we can create or generate our own pics. So for this reason we will use some pics of ours. So without wasting any time, let's start. We will click on this plus button. After clicking on it, we will click this upload a file, and we have to choose the file that we want to edit. So we will take this pic and we will open it here, right click or hit enter. So our pic will be here. Yeah, this is, just click on it. When you will click on it, now right click on this pic, here copy image address or copy link, both are same. You have to click on it, then come here, type slash, click on imagine prompt. We have to paste our link here. So with the help of Control V, I will paste my link here, comma, space, and now we will write our prompt here. So here is our prompt. You can see that and you can read: a radiologist midway through their career, intently studying a detailed MRI image of a human brain on a computer monitor with a perplexing anomaly catching their attention. So we will click and hit enter, and we will see that what will be our result. So here is our result. We will click on it, open in browser, so we can see the full quality of pic of these 4 variation. It's pic 1, 2, 3, 4. If you want 4 variations of pic 1, you have to click V1, same V2, V3 and V4. V1 will do, it will give you more 4 variations of the same pic. But U1, if you will click on U1, here is U1, U1, U2, U3 and U4. So if you will click U1, so it will give only single pic upscale. But if you will click V1, it will give you 4 variations of this pic. Same, if you will click on V4, it will give you 4 more variations of this pic. But if you will click on U4, it will give only 1 pic upscale. So let's see, we will click on V4, mean this pic 1, 2, 3, 4. When we will choose V4 here, it will give us this result. Now let me open this in new tab so we can see the full quality of this here. Now you can see that this was our pic 4, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 same variations of this pic because we clicked on V4. So these are 4 variations, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you want and you say that you have to choose any one pic, so you have to click on U1, U2, U3, U4. If you want to like U1, you have to click U1. If you want pic 3 or 4, you have to click U3 and U4. We will click U1, so it's mean that we have choose this pic. So now let's see that what will happen. This is the final result, and we will open it in new tab so we can see that the full quality of it. Here is the final result of our pic, or with the prompt, or you can say a reference image. So this is the final result. I wish this video will help you to generate your own pics in MidJourney, and if you have any queries, then you can comment.